should look for more assists, which actually they've improved. 19.6 assists per game itong Phoenix.
Toss on the attack, scoops it up and in.
Makita, and he has been doing well, pero mukhang natapilok si Cruz.
Na-spray niya ata ito si Carl Brian Cruz. Kaya no-go, Abueva para sa rebound. Nakita si Racal, ahead, magtatapik, papunta kay Casio. JV finds a way. Racal right in front of Cyrus. He goes to the crossover and then shovels the pass over to Enciso, who buries the long bomb. At once again, doon naman sa kanan, si Manuel naka-switch dito kay Cyrus. Cyrus trying to use his agility. Kisses it off the glass. Baguio, Torres, and Borboran. Matthew right off a set play. Lock.
Oo, medyo may hesitation na eh.
Lanete on the attack. Torres is there to clean it up. Azul backing up. Alulino looking around for any picks that are coming. Ford to shoot. Azul looking to make things happen. Oh, ho, ho, the leader drops, and that's a three-point shot. Na-locate nila si Eximiniano for the long bomb. Doesn't work. But underneath,
Sa offensive rebounds nila.
of course, isang malaking dagok sa kampanya na itong Alaska Aces as Enciso hits a 3. Iisang laro lang ang nai-register. Ito ni Baclaw.
Yun ang nasasayangan ako about Simon and season, making those shot selection. Sometimes kailangan mo ipasa. Habang napakadali naman para Card.
2016 season, Baguio misses, Capera cleans it up.
Saklang sa harap niya, he was able to put it back up.
Pascual going to the pivot.
This is the first time I actually see Garrigues play. He looks like a bodybuilder. Talagang bato.
Baguio knocks down a long one. Much needed long bomb para dito. Caperal bats it to the wrong man. Garrigues on the attack, saw an opening. Kicks it all the way out to Casio, who locates Racal. That's good.
Ayun.
Hey, we got it. Uh-oh. RJ Azul picking up where he left off. Isa na namang tres para kay RJ. He's got 14 points. 14 points para dito. Sa kay RJ Azul. Casio pa rin ang mentangan. Willie Wilson right on him. JB should have the speed, but Manuel has the size over Enciso. Easy scoop for the muscle man. RJ gives it up papunta kay Racal. They want the boss underneath. Sonny delivers in the slot. Willie being bodied up here by De La Cruz. He spins away from Tony. Willie rattles it home. Wilson with a pick. Right, drops it off to Willie. Nice hesitation by Willie.
Yan ang nagagawa ng extra passes. Magkikita mo, iba mismo nagbanggit, mahabol na. Dala ng extra passing yun.
Not so fast, sabi nito.
Nakulit siya kasi earlier. Eto, mabasag si Big Manuel.
Right, babawi. Nakuha naman. Matamis na isang abate ng Alaska Aces. Somehow, Abueva got it to Manuel. On one end, na problema si Abueva, binawi naman agad with a deuce dito sa kanila.
Doesn't work.
Nice no-look release. Enciso to right. JB on the attack once again. Inilapit na Bagya. Sigurado na yan para kay Casio. Right, losing it. A little too much dribbling. And JP Mendoza will make him pay.
Tama ka doon.
Pupunta sa kanto. It is Enciso. Simon lights it up. Atin sa atin ang Oppo F1S Selfie Expert. Racal ayaw siyang lubayan. Alulino back on the floor, goes to his left, kicks it over. Intal, haven't said his name enough tonight. Napakahirap ng trabaho ni Mr. Cayoso. Isa naman yung Manuel. Azul's gotta take this. Racal for 3.